I am so excited to show you this outdoor ceiling fan by Orison. And it comes with a remote. It has got 6 different speeds. You've got a light. The light goes in 3 different levels that you can dim and brighten the light. There is also a timer on this. So if you only want the fan to run for 1, 4, or 8 hours, got that option. You can run it with the light on or off. Not only can you control it through the remote, there is also an app. Spectacular. So pretty easy assembly. They give you this nice quick start guide to get you going. That includes some real helpful information as well as the user manual. But let me give you a close-up look at the light so you can see how cool it looks. So awesome. And as you can see, I've got it on the lowest setting and I've already got a little bit of a nice cool air blowing down on me. All right, to give you a close-up look here of the fan, kind of go underneath it. Now, the blades, they look kind of funny on film, but I promise you they are moving fast. It's just kind of a weird thing with fans and filming. But I do have it actually even on the lowest speed. And then you do have the option here with this extension bar that you can do a 5 or a 10-inch bar. And then they also include, there's a little Velcro strip right there. So that is what helps hold the cord. And then the cord is just a simple plug in. But the nice caps to cover everything. Let's get this going a little faster. All right, so I've got the fan going. Go ahead and turn it up here. And that's so funny. The difference it looks between looking through the camera and looking, it's almost like the faster it goes on camera, the slower the blades look. And then the slower I go, let me go all the way down to 1. Yeah, so that's actually just filming this thing is going really nice. Let me speed it up and I'll get underneath it. Just so you can kind of see how things blow. This is on the lowest. And then this is on the highest. But it's so funny with the blade. It is very fast. I'm getting a lot of air. Really a great addition. It's got nice waterproof features. And I really love that it comes with the remote, with all the options that you can do on the remote. Also comes with a hanging bracket and the hardware for this. Really a great fan, the Orison outdoor ceiling fan. I think you're going to love it. And this is how it comes packaged. It even shows you on the bottom to open the other side first. Let's get it open. Let's quickly open this box and take everything out. Now, the styrofoam piece was super convenient for putting on the fan blades, attaching the cages that go around the fan. And then you'll notice here, as I'm assembling this, I am hand tightening everything, but I am going to go back here and tighten everything with the screwdriver, just a hair tighter. But I went ahead, assembly was really easy. It was just the, screws, putting those in. Right here, I'm installing the light and everything tighten. And we are ready to hang it up. Let's go.